Welcome back friends. Today's video topic is how to protect Microsoft Excel workbook with password. Here I want to protect this workbook with password. For this, click on the file tab, click on this info tab. Then here you have this protect workbook option. Click on this. Then click on encrypt with password option. Here you have to put the password, and below this you can see the message that is saying if you forgot the password then the workbook is not recoverable and the password is case sensitive. In this box put the password. For example, I am putting here 1234, then click on OK. Re-enter the password 1234, click on OK. Now click on the save button. Close this workbook. And when you reopen this, it will ask you for the password. Put here the correct password, then click on OK. Then the file gets opened. So this is how you can protect Excel workbook with password. Thank you so much for watching this video.